Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to hang a balloon arch on the wall. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I'm in my basement and I have this balloon arch on the wall. My wife and I recently had a celebration for our son and we made this balloon arch, and I'm going to show you exactly how we hung it on the wall. It's super easy. Okay, so as you can see, there's the balloon arch. It has been, I think, 2 weeks that it's been hanging there, and it's still hanging there perfectly. Because I had all intentions of doing this video about 2 weeks ago when the celebration was done, but you know, things got in the way. I did a whole bunch of other videos instead, so I'm doing it now. So like I said, this is 2 weeks later and it's still hanging perfectly fine. So this is how we did it, okay? So obviously you want to make your balloon arch, okay? And to do that, you're going to use, you know, like a balloon arch tape. You can kind of see it's over here. You just put different balloons in a tape line, essentially. It's a specialized tape line, and that creates the line of balloons. And you're going to create it, there goes a balloon, not a problem. You're going to create it in an arched fashion. So you're going to hang it in an arched fashion. Once you have all of the balloons on the balloon specialized tape, okay, you're going to decide where you want it to be hung, okay? So basically, you're going to use these right here. These are like, just like, picture hanging hooks. I don't know what they're called. They're not picture hanging hooks. They're like command hooks, I think they're called. But these things right here that just stick to the wall. They just use like a sticky tab to stick to the wall, okay? Now this actually was hidden before, was much higher up, and this was hidden. The balloon arch was much higher up and it was hidden. But since it's been 2 weeks, the balloons have deflated and blah, 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 so now you can see it. But that one up there was like this over here was hidden. So what I did was I figured out the pathway of the balloon arch, okay? And essentially, once you figure out the pathway of the balloon arch, you're going to place as many of those little command hangers, whatever these are called, these things right here that stick onto the wall, you're going to place as many of those as you would like to within that pathway of the balloon arch. Once you've placed those along the pathway of the balloon arch, you're going to get just a little rope, okay? You can see over here, just a little rope. And the little rope, you're going to tie it around the balloon tape. As you can see right here, it's tied around the balloon tape, and you're going to make just a loop, as you can see right here, and that loop is going to go from the balloon tape to this little hook over here. And that is what's going to hold it on the wall, and that's what's going to hold it on the wall really well. Like I said, the only reason that you can see that up there is because it's been 2 weeks, or else it was basically like this, and it was hidden. Okay, everything's sort of deflating, blah, blah, blah. Balloons, you know, my kids have been playing down here, so balloons have been sort of come off the tape. It's not nearly as full as you can see. So when I did it, it looked basically perfect for the most part. But that's how I did it. Essentially, I placed these along the pathway of the balloon arch, okay? And then I got a rope, and with each piece of rope, okay, with each of these, I got a piece of rope, and I made it into a loop, and that loop went around the balloon tape. As you can kind of see here, it goes around the balloon tape, and then it goes around there. And you want to tighten or loosen the rope loop so that it holds it in place nicely, right? So this one over here, basically this is the idea. It was a little bit tighter before. Now it's loose, as you can see. But it was tighter before because the balloons were more inflated, so it was like kind of held off the wall like that, right? And that's the idea. And behind the scenes, that's what it looks like. But, you know, if you do it strategically and all the balloons, your balloon tape is really full, then your balloon arch will just completely hide those, like mine did when we originally set it up. And that's basically it. An easy way to hang a balloon arch on the wall. Hopefully you like this video. Try to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.